ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ନମସ୍କାର। What is the full form of computer? Answer is commonly operated machine particularly used for trade, technology, education and research. What is the full form of AAC? Answer is advanced audio coding. What is the full form of AI? Answer is artificial intelligence. What is the full form of ARPANET? ARPANET. Answer is Advanced Research Project Agency Network. What is the full form of ALGOL? Answer is Algorithmic Language. What is the full form of ALU? Answer is Arithmetic Logic Unit. What is the full form of AOL? Right answer is American Online. America Online. What is the full form of API? Answer is Application Program Interface. What is the full form of APT? Answer is Automatically Programmed Tooling. What is the full form of ARP? Answer is Address Resolution Protocol. What is the full form of ASP? Answer is Active Server Pages. What is the full form of ATM? Answer is Asynchronous Transfer Mode. What is the full form of AVI? Answer is Audio Video Interleaved. What is the full form of ASCII? Answer is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. What is the full form of AT? Answer is Advanced Technology. What is the full form of AUI? Answer is Attachment Unit Interface. Thank you for watching.